getting ready for another adventure.
Yes, we are.
Where are we going?
Out into Lake Superior.
Yes, we are. We're going to get on a boat, take it out into Lake Superior to explore Pictured Rocks, Michigan.
Yes, it's National Lakeshore, and we're very excited about it.
Yep. It's supposed to be the most beautiful area of Michigan. That's saying something, isn't it?
Because it's pretty beautiful everywhere around here.
So let's go queue up and get ready to board.
Let's do it.
We're queued up for boarding the boat, and we got here early so we can get on top. I think the view is going to be better outside. It's a beautiful day.
Hello.
Hi there.
Hi.
Hello.
Here.
Thank you.